No, I will. I'm just gonna sing this track first.